vacation. Oh my god.
Welcome to my crib.
Hi, welcome to my crib.
This is our fucking
Oh
view.
my god.
Over here, fireplace.
What you got there?
We're so ready for our creative retreat.
We're gonna go find the sunset. It's over there somewhere. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cute.
We're gonna try and light a fire. Hey, oh my god, if this works, my dad's gonna be so proud. I need to show everyone my fire that I've just made. Guys, are you guys proud of me? Okay. Round one felt like a success. We got too excited.
Yeah, and
We have to lock in.
Like,
go out, that's what these are the eyes of an arsonist. Unexpected problem.
yeah, we've actually now made the fire too good.
Yeah.
And that it's not burning out. We didn't think this through. The first two ran out within seconds. This is last hours.
It's okay guys, don't worry, she's locked in.
Jane Fonda's workout record. Do I need to have a freaking...
Yes, you absolutely do.
The Muppet Show. Oh my god. Hey Emily, I just found something that I think you would really appreciate.
No, it's 95.
Oh girl.
Sorry, getting big.
It's taste test time. We got these little pineapples.
I'm so excited. I hope it's pineapple flavor in it.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's straight white chocolate.
Mm.
Okay, period.
Now for the main event.
Milk macadamia brittle.
Oh my god, that's incredible.
That's actually so good. I should never been happier.
Mm-hmm.
We also got other things.
ABBA vinyl.
Mm-hmm.
Ring ring.
I got a Holden keychain.
Look, we got little pins.
Little hearts. And
Mine
then
says slow burn.
mine says enemies to lovers.
And that's our favorite tropes. We are in. Wow. Whoa. Look at where we are. This is so cool. To be clear, we don't really know where we are. We're on a road in the middle of Maleny somewhere. Great.
my god.
The geese are over there. I want to go see the geese.
I'm so scared.
I'm so excited. Go as close to the geese. You got this. Whoa. I hear they attack people.
Yeah, I heard that too. They sound a little angry. Are you gonna go closer?
I don't know. I'm weighing up the value of my life. So.
I'm scared of the geese. I'm fucking scared.
Oh my god, look at his little waddle. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dude, it's about to go swimming. Dude, it's about to go swimming. It's literally on the little ledge.
Oh, that was so graceful. Oh, that was so graceful. I feel like I've conquered my fear. I feel like I'm enclosed with the geese and the ducks. So like, I think that's enough. I think that's enough.
That's enough.
We've made it to farm friends. Oh my gosh. Dude,
It's really
he wants you.
You smell me?
It's giving How to Train Your Dragon.
I love all of them. I'm scared they're gonna appear behind us. So cute. Look at him. Bye.
Sorry, I'm trying to have fun. Oh my gosh, Freddie, just love you. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
Wow.
That's good.
That's fucking good.
Ancient rock formation.
Oh my god. Okay,
rock formations?
I'm just not seeing any ancient rock formations. Are those some rock formations? No. Don't be foolish. Okay, this is what we're after. Oh my gosh! Now that's a fucking rock formation.
That is a good rock formation.
Oh my god. Oh, I see him. I see him. Wow.
Really cool. Record doesn't say anything, that's just rock. So, rock.
Number 3. That's a pretty good rock. That's a pretty cool rock formation though. Maybe it's all the rocks that I was just pointing out. Maybe it's this whole thing actually. And she was never seen again. It's been 5 days of you out in the bush with no food and no water. Have you drank your piss yet?
Yes.
Stunning stuff. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Our last day.
We're off. We're gonna go to see if we can find platypus.
Hell yeah.
Hi, mountains. Bye.
I got the horses.
Yay! They have a freaking sign that's this epic. It's gotta be good.
Did you see the other Capricorns one?
No.
Look.
Oh my god, it's huge. Why am
Oh
I
my
obsessed with
God.
it?
That's amazing. The hunt for the platypus.
You gotta be really patient apparently.
Yeah,
It's
so
been 1 minute.
we're not doing great at it, to be honest.
I literally just said, if there's a gap in this pathway, I will go up the hill and recreate the scene from Little Women. So,
And look.
this is what I can.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, wait, we could frolic all day. Oh my god, she's frolicking. She's frolicking. Since I've known you, Joe, I couldn't help it, and I'm trying to show you. No. No.
It's no use, Joe.
Please
Joe, we've
don't.
got to have it out.
No.
I have loved you ever since I've known you, Joe. I couldn't help it.
We did get distracted on our platypus hunt. Priorities changed.
We've grown. We're different people now.
We're different people. We've changed, but we did not see a platypus, so sorry. But
The universe loves Wilson saw a platypus.
that was so cool. That was crazy. We were literally just saying how we didn't see a platypus, and
That's okay.
kind of gave up. So what that says is never give up. Wow, what a thrill. What a thrill.
Okay, we're at Sea Life. Let's see if we can actually go in and I love animals. This is literally Barbie Bumblebee. Side-eye, biggest side-eye. This is so SpongeBob movie. Oh, hello. Hi. On me. Stepped on me. He was practically dancing on me. Look at this. Broken, broken, broken. Gone, gone, gone. Dory over here. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like,
okay,
I'm about to
don't
meet a celebrity. Like, I don't
okay.
forget.
He's so chill.
Oh my god, Nemo's in there too. Nemo's in there too with Dory.
Dude.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Oh, I'm gonna
Oh,
cry.
that's the cutest. And I'm literally gonna cry.
This is crazy. We've accidentally got into a penguin.
I'm so excited.
Is this giving surf stuff? When do they start surfing? Is all I want. Like that's.
Cody's me, bro. Let me be me.
Welcome to Seal Island.
I'm so excited. Ruby has got our ships.
Well, we say thank you.
Okay,
so
why are
much
they
for
actually
fish.
geniuses? They're
That's
actually
really
so
cool.
smart.
Pause and
Right?
read.
It's gonna put it in the bin. It's just put it in the bin. It's just fucking put it in the bin. How does it?
Right, over a short distance of about 30 to 50 meters, which is why it's really
Just keep swimming. We're going down.
We don't know what's gonna be under here.
We don't really know.
Hell
But I
yeah.
think it's fun. Oh my god. That is the cutest thing ever. They're actually the cutest thing ever. This one's still following.
That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm excited.
I love you. I love you. Oh my god, we're going into the ocean tunnel. I've never been more excited about anything ever. Yeah. I see it. This is like amazing. This is my dream come true. Don't look up. Oh my god, we found the turtle. The turtle. There's no way that's real. That was crazy. We were in there for hours. That was like so fun.
That was so fun.
Like literally
Like,
as fuck.
obsessed.
I love animals.
I truly.
Sorry, I love an animal.